Hi guys, good morning. It's almost 5 a.m. and we woke up early because we're going to Marinduque. Ay, here's my
Hindi sumasagot si Manong.
OMG. I told you I can drive. Are you awake?
Not so much.
And it's already 5 o'clock.
I know.
I can drive.
I'm the one.
Ay, ano ba yan? Wala daw kaming driver. Hindi daw sumasagot si Manong Ben. That's bad. Kiss. Diba? See you later. We'll just wait, I think. Mali na yung lyrics. Kung sino? How do you feel, Tito? Nakatakas ka na naman sa kulungan mo.
Tanungin mo si Kuya ano sa kanya.
But, it's fine.
Ano bang charger niyan?
See?
Ito.
Look at that. It's magnet, bro.
Ah, really?